way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby.
Yeah, I like this song. This song is very amazing. Yep. Oh yeah, that was a good coffee. Iced coffee tastes sweet. Yes, that tastes sweet. Coffee tastes sweet. Hey Gigolo, what are you listening to? Oh, hey Mario, I'm listening to the song, the song with my headphones. Hold on, let me just take this. Yeah, just let me take it off real quick. Anyways, I'm listening to this song. What are you drinking? Are you drinking coffee? Yes, Gigolo, I'm drinking coffee. It tastes sweet. So, you want to try some coffee? I'm good. That coffee taste is too sweet. It is absolutely too sweet for me. Oh, okay. Well, I guess not. Well, I guess I'll just keep drinking coffee. Alright, well, I guess I'll just keep listening to music. Yeah, that is a good song.
I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and the...
Hey Luigi, what do you think we should do? What are you watching? I watching a scary movie. A scary movie? Is it really scary? Yeah, it is really scary. Wow. What day is it today anyways? It's Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th? Yeah, it was really scary. Oh, so that explains why you're watching a scary movie that is Friday the 13th. Exactly. I'm very scared. Mario, are you scared? Yeah, we're all scared. Sometimes I think the monster is gonna come really soon. I don't know when. Me neither. What if the bear comes in to break into our house and come and kill us? I'm not sure. Well, we better I think we should protect Chicken Little. You're right. We have to once Chicken Little comes in, we're gonna protect him. Yeah, you're right. We have to protect him. Yeah. Hey guys, what movie you're watching? The movie's really scary, right? Yes, Chigalo's Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th? What does that mean? It means it's 7 years of bad luck. 7 years of bad... Oh yeah, I forgot. It's 7 years of bad luck. It's Friday the 13th. I know. That's why we're here to protect you. You're just a kid, right? Yeah? Yeah. So that's why we're here to protect you from the crazy evil bear. Wow. Wait, hold on a second. The bear's a monster? Yeah. Briar is a real monster. Just like the lion is a real monster. The other bears, lions, what else? Cheetahs, leopards, polar bears. More animals are real monster. Even the guy wearing a mask is a real monster. Oh, great. That's why you guys are gonna protect me, right? Yes, Chigolo, we're here to protect you. Even though we're we'll have to protect you, even your dad still died, but we'll still have to protect you no matter what. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just stay here until Friday the 14th comes. Yeah, Friday the 13th is not gonna be scary. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be, Friday the 13th is gonna be past. Actually, it was a Saturday the 14th. That's what I'm gonna say. Saturday 14th. Yes, it's not scary anymore. It's gonna be past. Friday the 13th is gonna be past. Tomorrow is gonna be Saturday the 14th. Okay, that's what I meant to say. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna protect you no matter what. All right. What was that? What? I think the ghost is. I think that the ghost is opening up the door. Yeah, I know. It's open. I think the door is open. I don't know what happened. Huh? What was that? I think someone is going. Someone is going under the bed. I'm gonna go check it out. I don't see anybody under the bed. Guys, I think I'm really scared right now. Yeah, me too. Let's just hope nothing will happen. As long as we're still here, nobody's gonna kill us. Right, you're right, Gigolo. Nobody's gonna kill us, especially they're gonna kill you for. You know what? Never mind. What? Somebody's going inside the closet. Great. I'm gonna go check it out. Be careful, Mario. These guys are really dangerous in the closet. I know. There'll be a monster inside the closet. I'm gonna go check it out. I hope there is a monster world inside the closet. Alright. Monsters inside the closet. Well, I guess I'll be going to Monstropolis. Alright. Monstropolis, here I come. Oh, there's a light. Let me turn off the lights real quick. Okay. No monsters inside the closet. It's just a closet, and they're just close everywhere. Alright, it's just a closet. There's nobody in here, it's just a closet. So what do you think, Mario? We're going to Monstropolis? There isn't a Monstropolis inside the closet. There's just a closet with all those clothes. Clothes. Yeah, they're just clothes, Chicolo. There are no monsters inside the closet. What was that? Was that James P. Sullivan? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure that was a Frankenstein, or I will believe it was a beetle. Don't say anything, Luigi. Please don't say anything. Yeah, Luigi, you cannot say beetle. Mario, you don't say either. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Well, great. Please, guys, please don't say the name. The guy's name is really, really scary. If you say the guy's name, it'll take us to somewhere that is really, really, really scary. You're right. We cannot say Whatever the guy's name is. Yeah, we cannot say the guy's name. He was really scary. Yeah. Okay, I'm pretty sure he's going under the bed again. I'm gonna go check it out. Yeah, I think I'll go check it out. All right, Mario, please be careful. He was really scary. All right, I will. I don't think it can fit inside the or under the bed. Well, I think it was a magic monsters. Yeah, I know, magic monsters. It was really scary. Yeah, we really need to be being more careful because we don't want to get scary. Yeah. Oh, that was a good banana. That was take great. You guys doing okay over there? I don't think so, Donkey Kong. Do you know what day is it today? It's September 19th. Actually, September the 13th. September 13th, 2024, right? September 13th. That's right, Donkey Kong. It's Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th? Well, is it bad? Yes, Donkey Kong. It's very bad news. What does that mean? It means it's 7 years of bad luck. 7 years of bad luck? I never heard that one before. Which is exactly what happened, Donkey Kong. I mean that is exactly. But anyways, but still, it is really bad news. We better stay in this room until tomorrow. I don't know what happened, but tomorrow is going to be Saturday, September 14th. We might as well just stay in this room. Oh, that is really scary. I know. What did I hear something? Yes, Donkey Kong. We can hear something. It was really scary. Yeah, those. I think that must be a monster. A monster? Yeah, a real monster. It was really scary. It could be the bear or lion or a polar bear or any type of animals are really scary. Whoa. Well, I'm gonna go check out the bathroom. Please be careful, Donkey Kong. Those monsters are gonna kill you. Yeah, even though the monsters are gonna eat me for dinner or a midnight snack. Well, some people don't eat chicken for a midnight snack. They eat you for dinner. Okay, they don't eat me for a midnight snack. They'll probably eat me for dinner. Oh, okay, well, I'll make sure nobody's in the bathroom. All right, but be careful. It's dangerous. All right, let's turn on the light. Okay. There isn't any monsters inside the bathroom. It's pretty crazy. Alright. Turn off the light. Alright. Definitely no monsters. Well, no monsters inside the bathroom. Okay, alright. As maybe he's probably breaking out of the house. Yeah. So at least we're okay. Yeah. At least the monsters are all gone. Well, I guess this is it. The monster is finally gone. Yep, monster is finally gone. Except for me. What? What? Oh my god, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh no. Briar's back. What? Briar's back? Oh boy. Oh my god. He's roaring too loud. Let's get out of here. Yeah, let's get out. Get out of here. Ah. Oh no. You're not going anywhere. Get back here. Come on. Alright, I've got. Huh? Where did everyone go? Nobody's here. Hello? Anybody in here? Huh. Nobody's in here. Great. Where is everyone? Let go of me. Let go. No, not this time. Not this time, Briar. I got you. Come on. Come on. You're coming with me. What do you think you're doing? Where are you taking me to? Oh, you'll see. No. Nope. All right. Now, you get out. And stay out. All right. He's gone. All right. You lazy morons are gonna pay for this. I'm out. I gotta get out of here before the animal control comes. Okay, Mario, he's gone. Briar's finally gone. Yep. Are you sure? Are you sure he's not in the closet? No, he's outside. I put him outside already. Good. All right. Well, Chigolo, since the monsters are finally gone, what do you think we should do? I think we should go to we can just go bowling. Want to go bowling? Oh yeah, we can go bowling. All right, let's go bowling. We're gonna play bowling. To roll this ball, whatever the ball is called. A bowling ball? Yeah, bowling ball. That's a good game. All right.